rough sketch based on the ideas that are transmitted to him by the client. And at the end of the day, he will also be able to come up with the detailed drawing. After the detailed drawing is there, he makes submission to the structural engineers and the service engineers. The structural engineer also play a role in making the analysis, design, and detailing of the structural elements. After that, we have the quantity surveyor. The quantity surveyor is also there to do the cost magic or the cost engineering, and we have to arrive at the cost. We have other professionals that might not be, because of our culture, we may not be seeing them. There are other role players that might not be seen. Because for a building, there are also space syntax or space analysis that you undertake to understand the movement of people within the building, or for the town planners, how the traffic goes round and round and round. So after these designs are done, everything will now come to that person that will execute the building, who is going to be a project manager, or let's say the builder. So during the project, there is this conflict that always arises. If care is not taken, the project is going to be in a very serious mess, just as a result of people or professionals that don't have clarity of where their role starts or finishes, or where their roles end. So we need to understand the scope of what we do as architects, the scope of what we are to do in a project as builders, the scope of what we are going to do as quantity surveyors and others. If we have the clarity of those things, then we will be able to harness this through a design manager, or today we have what is called BIM, Building Information Module. It is a solution that is provided for all professionals that enables collaboration. Now, there is this tool BIM for all of us, all professionals that have an input to make within the BIM. If we are able to understand the concept of BIM, it makes our work easier. I'll give you a live example.